Hi everyone, I am M. Purnima Devi working as an assistant professor in the AML department. Today I am going to discuss about k-nearest neighbors. In further videos I had discussed about moreover things. So what do you mean by life cycle, machine learning life cycle, and what do you mean by machine learning, and what do you mean by overfitting and underfitting, etc. And linear regression also. So now I am going to discuss about k nearest neighbors. From moving to k nearest neighbors, we all of you know about linear regression. So what do you mean by linear regression, and also least square method? So in least square methods, if a data set contains many lot of things from the data we have to draw a graph, etc. So mainly it is used in data analysis, etc. So now I am going to discuss about k nearest neighbors algorithms. K nearest neighbors. So k nearest neighbors, KNN, is a simple way to classify things by looking at what's nearby. Imagine a stream service wants to predict if a new user is likely to cancel their subscription churn based on their age. So they checks the age of its existing users and whether they churned or stayed. If most of the k closest users in age of new user cancelled their subscription, KN will predict the new user might churn too. The key idea is that users with similar ages tend to have similar behaviors, and KN use this closeness to make decisions. Simple analogy. So tell me about your friends who are neighbors are, and I will tell you who are you. So this is all basic things. So instant based learning. So it is very similar to your stuff. We can learn a lot of things from mobile phones, pager, laptop, computer system, etc. KN different names. So K nearest neighbors, memory based learning, example based learning, instance based learning, lazy learning. So what is KNN? A powerful classification algorithm used in pattern recognition. K nearest neighbor stores all variable cases and classifies new cases based on a similarity measured, example distance function. So one of the top data mining algorithms used today, a non-parametric lazy learning algorithm and instance based learning method. KNN classification approach. An object, a new instance, is classified by a majority votes for its neighbor classes. The object is assigned to the most common class amongst its k nearest neighbors measured by a distance function. This are all basic things. So here is an example for mainly things of k nearest things. So it is closer like to an matplotlib algorithm. So matplotlib algorithm play an important role. So see here, so distance measure. So for example, if I am contain training records is an, for example, duck, hen. So next thing is an, so chicken, so etc. So here test data it is an duck. Training data it is an normal hen like structure, then hen, chick, etc. So we have to calculate the compute distance. Okay, so close k of the nearest records. So choose k of the nearest records, which is the nearest to its records means. So duck, so both two duck is very close to its nearest records. Distance measure for continuous variables, distance variables Euclidean equal to, so summation of k of t equal to 1, so x I minus y I close bracket root of. Next thing is Manhattan, summation of I equal to 1 to the k, so x of I minus y of I. Minkowski C, so summation of k psi equal to 1 x of I minus y of I, so whole of q, so whole of 1 divided by q. Distance between neighbors. Calculate the distance between new example E and all example is the training set. Is Euclidean distance between two example x equal to x1, x2, x3, y equal to y1, y2, y3, etc. Euclidean distance between x and y is defined as so d x comma y equal to square root of summation of n I equal to 1 x of I minus y of I whole square. Thank you.